Sorry, I thought someone was calling me, so let's continue this quickly. Let's add a little more paint to that. Where the heck is my paintbrush? Found it. Sorry. I'm just like rushing because I don't want it to go too far. I don't want to finish this quickly, so. Oh God. This looks so good. Sort of. I might actually just make it a white swirl icing. I don't even know. This might be whipped cream. If I leave it white. And I might find like an ice cream scoop or something, cut it off of like something and then just add it. Or I might fill this in with the strawberries. I have strawberries from part of the squishies. Yeah, I'm gonna. Cool, that's a lot. Okay. Well, try painting all of this. The goal is to get this done in like 20 minutes. And I mean done, I just mean painted done, not dried and everything. If I can get it dried and painted in 20 minutes, that would be great. And I'm pretty sure this dries really quickly. The only paint I have is really acrylic paint, crafts or acrylic paint. And I'm pretty sure that peels on squishies. I'm just noticing now. And I've been using acrylic paint. And I hope nothing happens to the squishy. So I just finished here. That was way less than 20 minutes. I didn't even have to stop the camera besides that one time. I had to see if someone was calling me or not, but otherwise, no, it was fine. Yeah. Okay, that was really good. Okay, I'm just getting my fingertip touched. So white, comment down below if you think I should keep it as white or no. I think I'm going to keep it white. I'm going to think. And I might have to stop the camera again. Brother in the background. Charlotte. For now, well, that's all drying. I'm gonna work on this squishy here. So I'm just giving it powdered sugar first. That's what I'm working on first. I'm just kind of like painting some white everywhere. Powdered sugar everywhere. Try to like make it look more realistic, not like too realistic. And then I don't really like how this is pink, so I might change this color, try to fix up the ribs, and I'm gonna paint some powdered sugar all over this thing, even maybe a little on the back here. No, I'm gonna paint the powdered sugar on the back there. It's kind of weird, but whatever. So I'm just kind of gonna paint the top more white. Leave a little brown showing, but I'm gonna paint it more white so it looks like powdered sugar. And I'm just using the white left up on my paintbrush, just what I'm doing. But I might want to finish this, so I'm using a little more than that. So it's gonna look really like powdered sugar everywhere. It's gonna look like a powdered sugar party almost. So it's gonna be like literally everywhere. Top it is powdered sugar. I still liked how they had it at the beginning, but I think I'm just and then make it white on the top. Powdered sugar, like there's powdered sugar literally everywhere. One is there. So I'll be back in a few minutes once this dries as well. And that. And yeah, I will be back.